Hi students, today we will discuss one of the important concept, that is the types of hydrocarbons. Types of hydrocarbons. Here mainly the bond formation between the carbon atom. The hydrocarbons are mainly divided into two types. One is saturated hydrocarbon, and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, depending upon the bond formation between the carbon atoms, hydrocarbons are mainly divided into two types. One is saturated hydrocarbon and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now, what is the saturated hydrocarbon? What is the saturated hydrocarbon? What is the saturated hydrocarbon? Here, the saturated hydrocarbon meaning a hydrocarbon in which carbon atom are connected by only single bond. Saturated hydrocarbon meaning carbon atom are connected by only single bond. And this type of the hydrocarbons are called saturated hydrocarbon. The saturated hydrocarbons are also called as alkane. The saturated hydrocarbon explain the root word, then I will explain some different type of hydrocarbon. Myth meaning number of carbon one are present, that simply we are called it is a myth. It means they are the two carbons present in the structure. Prop meaning three carbons. But meaning four carbons. Pent meaning five carbons. Hex meaning six carbons. Hept meaning seven carbons. Oct meaning eight carbons. Non meaning 9 carbons. Dec meaning 10 carbons. Now here methane. Methane is nothing but between the carbon and hydrogen they are only single bond. Methane, the number of carbon atoms are only 1 and the formula is the CH4. And second one is the ethane. Number of carbon atoms are the 2 and the formula is C2H6. And propane. Prop mean 3 carbons and formula is C3H8. So once you can look at here, all the alkanes are end with the word is the ane like that. Butane. Butane meaning they are the 4 carbons. So butane structure is the C4H10. Pentane. Pent meaning 5 carbons. Pentane formula is the C5H12. And hexane. Hex meaning 6 carbons and hexane formula is C6H14. Heptane. Hept meaning they are the 7 carbons and the formula is C7H16. Octane. Oct meaning 8 carbons and the formula is C8H18. And non means 9 carbons and the formula is C9H20. Decane meaning 10 carbon, C10H22. Here N meaning N is equal to number of carbons. Here N equal to number of carbons. Here N equal to number of carbons. Okay, students, next one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. And next one is the unsaturated. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Between the carbon and carbon, they may be present either the double bond or triple bond. This type of the hydrocarbons are called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Between carbon and carbon, they may be present either the double or the triple bond. This type of the hydrocarbons are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Again, the unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into two types. One is alkene and second one is the alkyne. And what is the meaning of the alkene? Alkene is nothing but between carbon and carbon they may be present double bond. Between carbon and carbon they may be present double bond. This type of the hydrocarbons are called as the alkene. Alkene is ended with the word is the ene, and general formula of alkene is CnH2n. General formula of alkene is CnH2n. Now we will discuss some of the examples of alkenes. And once you can look at here, alkene, number of carbon atoms and formula. And ethene, eth means they are the two carbons, and ethene formula is C double bond C H and H, ethene. And general formula is C2H4. Propane. Prop means there the three carbons are present in the given structure, and the formula is C3H6. Butene. But means four carbons, and butene structure is C4H8. Pentene. Pent means 5 carbons, and the pentene structure is C5H10. Hexene. Hex means 6 carbons, and the formula of hexene is C6H12. Heptene. Hept means 7 carbons, and the formula is C7H14. Octene. Oct means 8 carbons, and the formula is C8H16. Nonene. Non means 9 carbons, and nonene formula is C9H18. Decene. Dec means 10 carbons, and the formula is C10H20. So these are the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated, that is the alkenes. Between the carbon and carbon, here they are present the double bond. Next hydrocarbon is alkyne. Next hydrocarbon is alkyne. Next hydrocarbon is unsaturated hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by a triple bond is called alkyne. So the alkyne end with the word is the YNE. Alkyne is end with the word is the YNE. So here the alkyne general formula CnH2n minus 2. General formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Now here we will discuss some examples of alkynes, and here the alkyne and number of carbons and the formula. Here ethyne meaning there are the two carbons. Between the two carbons they are present the triple bond. It is the ethyne structure, and ethyne formula is C2H2. Next one is the propyne. And the propyne formula is C3H4. Prop means they are present the 3 carbons. Butane. But means 4 carbons, and the formula is C4H6. Pentine. Pent means 5 carbons, and the formula is C5H8. Hexene. Hex means 6 carbons, and the formula is C6H10. Heptine. Hept means 7 carbons and heptane formula is C7H12. Octane. Oct means 8 carbons and formula is C8H14. Nonine. Non means 9 carbon and nonine formula is C9H16. And decyne. Decyne is nothing but they are the 10 carbons are present and the formula is C10H18. And next concept is alkyl group. Next concept is alkyl group. So what is the meaning of alkyl? What is the meaning of alkyl? By the removing of hydrogen from the alkane. By the removing of hydrogen. Alkyl group. So what is the meaning of alkyl group? By the removing of hydrogen from the CH4, just we have to remove one hydrogen. In that time, it will form CH3. So it is the alkyl. Simply the alkyl group is represented by the formula is R. Okay students, thank you. If you like my video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you students.